We're now going for a ride in our 1969 Chevy Camaro. But unlike the 69 Camaro, which is popular here, this is in fact the Pace car. Really nice restoration, as you can see, for the RS. It has our console gauges. We got our working factory tach. We even have the clock, which in a lot of 69s you don't see working. Our factory AC Delco radio with FM and AM options there. Let's give you all a little bit of a brake test up here to show you how good this restoration really is. Brakes are really good. A little construction this morning, I see. Well, other than that, I mean, you got the wooden wheel, you got the 134A AC system with this car, which is a little hard to find in 69 Camaros with this year. Well, other than that, it's just a perfectly good restoration. Definitely your RS model with the hideaway headlights. See, it's a really smooth cruiser. Definitely a car you want to add to your collection. But anyway, we're going to get a turn around up here, put her on the lift, let you guys take a sneak peek at the underneath. Hope to see you there.